Running an online store can be tough, especially when it comes to making sales. Today, I'm sharing 3 tools that can help you boost your store's performance and turn visitors into customers. No matter where you are in your journey, stay tuned and let's make some sales together. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hit it! Tool number 1, Leadpages. First, let's talk about the sponsor of this video, Leadpages. It's a super easy tool to create landing pages and opt-in forms with a drag and drop builder and ready-made templates. No coding needed. For your online store, Leadpages help you create pages for products, sales, or promos, perfect for converting visitors into customers. It also has A/B testing to find out what works best. Plus, it integrates smoothly with platforms like Shopify and Wix, so adding pages is a finger snap. It's a paid tool, but it's worth it for boosting sales with high converting pages and easy testing. Leadpages streamline the entire marketing process from start to finish, making sure that every interaction counts, every campaign delivers, and every marketer has the data to prove their success. Leadpages landing page templates and tools generate conversions 5 times higher than the industry average. When you're building your page, you'll receive real-time conversion tips based on 10 years plus of Leadpages data. They also offer a ton of other features to help build your business, including customizable branding and designs, SEO optimization, device-specific displays and previews, email service integration, and a free domain for up to 1 year. Okay, so let's check out their websites they have available. They have over 50 templates, and you don't have to know any coding or anything. This is a drag and drop. This is already made for you. It's so much easier, and they have some beautiful templates. Now, I see one I want to check out right there. Okay, release your Zen. Okay, you're in a Zen. I love the colors. This is AdSense ready. This is fabulous, and they have all the tags. They have everything, images, everything ready. They have all that available for you. Great reviews, and I love how that everything is built out for you. The whole website will be built out for you. So they don't just do landing pages, they do websites. And look at the template. Look at the color scheme. It's very zen-like, very earthy, very natural. You also can leave your email address to build that email list up. They have all that ready for you. They have the about page about you, the contact page. This is put together very, very well. Look at this. Okay, join their community. Very professional. And that's on the desktop. And you again leave your email. That's important on the website. Now we're checking out the mobile. The mobile look on the mobile. This is the same website, but on your cell phone. Okay. Look how it doesn't skip a beat. It doesn't lose the look, the aesthetics. Everything is still there, very beautiful. The words are still bold. You can still read about Pete. Everything is right there. Okay, so I love, sometimes some websites look funny on the phone. Not this one. This website was well put together. Leadpages users generate an average of 12 plus leads every day. Go to try leadpages.co/hustle to try your first 14 days for free and start generating more leads. And with that, now on to tool number 2, Google Analytics. Next, let's talk about Google Analytics and its free tool that tracks how visitors behave on your site. It shows where your traffic is coming from, which products are performing best, and what pages get the most clicks. For your store, you can use it to see which products or promotions are converting the most and adjust your marketing efforts accordingly. It can be even integrated with tools like Leadpages, Shopify, and Wix. And it gives you the insights you need to optimize your store for more sales. Okay, so let's check out Google Analytics. All right, now you can see all the purchases. This is for like an online store, how many active users you have. It gives you all that information for the last 7 days. You are monitoring all your purchases, okay? They also show you what countries are purchasing up to the minute. They have the last 30 minutes, you had 23 people purchasing or active users on your website, which is fantastic because you really want to stay on top of that. You have to find out. Also, it gives you all the information about how people are finding you. Is it through organic search, emails, paid search? It also lets you know your first time users, how they're finding you, and what items are they viewing, like your bags and your different merch, your first time visitors. It gives you every little detail. Is it an organic search? Okay. It lets you know for the last 30 days how they found you. It's very organized, very professional, very helpful. Tool number 3, Canva. Last up, we have Canva, a free design tool with the pro option that lets you create eye-catching graphics for your store, social media, ads, and more. It's super easy to use with this drag and drop interface, so you can quickly make product images, promotional banners, and social media posts that grab attention. High quality visuals are key for online stores, and Canva helps you create them fast, making your site look professional and appealing to customers. And the best part, it's free. Now we're on the website for Canva. Canva has great tools if you're trying to design logos or different designs for your website to incorporate into your website. They have really great templates if you want to use. If you're trying to market to a certain, niche, they have all these great different templates, and I've used them a lot also for logos, and you can incorporate that into your template, into your website. They're really, really, really good. So if you're trying to sell something or you have a online business, Canva is your go-to tool. Ready to boost your store's performance? Use Leadpages to create high-converting landing pages, Google Analytics to track what's working, and Canva to design the stunning visuals, all for a winning online strategy. Check out my Leadpages link down below in the description to get started now. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with these tools. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.